Hello children, good morning everyone. Welcome back to online classes children. In last class, you learned Trees poem written by Sarah Coleridge, is it? Now, in today's class, you are going to learn Trees poem question and answers. If you got your book means, kindly turn to page number 126 for your poem questions. Okay children? I hope this is very clear to you. Please concentrate and study well children. Come, let's move on to today's topic. First question. First is answer the following, and first question is, what does the people do? The people quivers in the breeze. People tree quivers. Quivers means shakes quickly. No, that only. What does people do? The people quivers in the breeze. When the breeze blows, the people tree quivers. Quivers means shakes. Okay, now we move on to our second questions. Okay, our second question is, how does the coconut tree grow? Answer is, the coconut grows straight and tall. Already you learnt in the poem, is it? The coconut tree grows up very straight and tall. Same thing only, answer here. Okay, the coconut tree grows straight and very tall. Now we move on to third question. What does the tamarind tree give? What does tamarind tree gives us? Yes, very good. Answer is, the tamarind tree gives us pleasant shade. The answer is, the tamarind tree gives pleasant shade. So this is your third answer. As of now, I completed first, second and third question answers. Is it clear to you children? Please concentrate and do it well. Okay. Now we move on to fourth question and answer. Okay. What is as sharp as blade? The answer is, the date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. Because in this poem, Sarah Coleridge poet compared date's leaf with blade. Is it? Because the date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. Now we move on to fifth one. Fifth question is, what does the teak tree give us? And the answer is, the teak tree gives useful wood. The teak tree gives us wood. This is your fifth answer children. I hope this is very clear to you. Now once again I revise all the 5 question answers. First I read out all the 5 questions and then I read out the 5 answers. Is this clear to you children? Children, please concentrate and study well children. Come, let's move on to revise the 5 question answers. Okay, I read out all the 5 questions here. Kindly listen carefully. First question is, what does the people do? And second question is, how does the coconut tree grow? And third one is, what does the tamarind tree give? And fourth one is, what is as sharp as a blade? And then fifth one is, what does the teak tree give us? These are the 5 questions you have in your poem. Okay, this is your book back question answers children. It is very important and also answers are very simple. It just one line answer, is it? So please do it well. Please study well, concentrate, listen carefully, do your assignment within a given time children. Now I am going to revise all the 5 answers. Okay. So come, let's move on to our 5 answers for your poem Trees. Okay. Who's the poet? Yes, very good. Trees poem is written by Sarah Coleridge. Okay children. Now it's time to move on our answers. Is it? Okay, come. Let's move on to our answers. See, here is your answers. First answer is, the people quivers in the breeze. And second answer is the coconut tree grows straight and tall. And third answer is the tamarind tree gives pleasant shade. And then fourth one is the date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. And then fifth one is the teak tree gives us useful wood. So you are going to write 2 times. Okay. Thank you, children.